Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra S938B/DS is a remarkable smartphone that exemplifies cutting-edge technology and innovative design. With its impressive 512GB storage and 12GB RAM, users can expect a seamless experience whether they are multitasking, gaming, or storing high-resolution media. The device's factory-unlocked nature adds versatility, allowing users to choose their preferred carrier without restrictions. One of the standout features of the S25 Ultra is its stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display. With a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, the screen is vibrant and sharp, making it perfect for watching videos, browsing photos, or gaming. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsiveness, which is a blessing for gamers and content creators alike. The camera capabilities are truly exceptional. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a quad-camera system with a 200MP primary sensor, which captures detailed images in various lighting conditions. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses enhance versatility, allowing for breathtaking landscape shots or beautifully zoomed-in portraits. Night mode further elevates photography in low-light environments, ensuring that every moment is captured with clarity and brilliance. Performance-wise, the device is powered by Samsung's latest Exynos processor, ensuring that it handles heavy applications with ease. The integration of AI technology optimizes performance and enhances user experience by adapting to usage patterns. Battery life is another significant highlight. The S25 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery lasts well into a full day of heavy use, supported by fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. On the software side, the smartphone runs on the latest version of Samsung's One UI, providing an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Security features, including an in-display fingerprint scanner and advanced facial recognition, offer peace of mind. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra S938B/DS is a powerhouse of a smartphone that delivers on performance, camera quality, and overall user experience. It is a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a top-tier mobile device.